Let's break the internet.
Damn it.
So let's break the internet.
Break the internet. Let's break the internet.
In-N-Out versus Shake Shack. If you're like me, you're over it. But to be honest, they're both awesome. What I want to break down is how to make them at home, especially when you're stuck in a city where you can't get them both. So I linked up with Andrew Rea from my favorite YouTube channel, Binging with Babish, to put our culinary chops to the test and to hack these two legendary burgers, the Shake Shack Double Shack and the In-N-Out Double-Double Animal-style.
Do you think it's even fair to compare In-N-Out and Shake Shack?
A Shake Shack burger to me is like more of like a higher end burger than it is In-N-Out. In-N-Out's more like exactly what it is in California. Like just more chill, under promise, over deliver type of burger. I can't compare the two.
There's a definite mystique about In-N-Out. Can you explain that to me as a Californian?
Oh yeah, I mean, In-N-Out is like the burger church. It's like the burger mecca for Californians. So as a Californian, you know, dude, I'm special. I'm eating this because someone in Indianapolis can't have this right now. I mean, what do you think the major differences are?
I went to Shake Shack early on. It was just one of the best burgers I had ever had because it was in between a sit-down restaurant, you know, bleed all over the place burger and a fast food burger.
Dude, let's get to cooking, man. Let's see this Double Shack.
One important part of the Shack burger is that they use potato rolls, specifically Martin's potato rolls, which are the best in the world.
Right, the best.
And they're squishy, they're a little sweeter, they're my personal favorite for a burger. And now I'm making the special sauce over here, which starts with, as most burger special sauces do, mayo and ketchup. And apparently, they throw a little bit of pickle brine in there. Little pinches of garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, and cayenne, just like the tiniest little bit of cayenne. We got a mixture of short rib, brisket, flat iron.
Is that like their real recipe or is that your recipe?
Their real recipe is a secret and it's just my best guess.
This right here, guys, is why it's $8. I mean, we're talking about premium quality beef, minerally, flat iron, beefy in the brisket. And then you get that like unctuousness of a short rib. Man, it's making my mouth water.
So one of the most important things about this burger, one of the things that makes it a Shake Shack burger is the smash burger patty, which is one of my favorite ways to make burgers at home. We got 2-ounce meatballs, and we're just gonna throw those in each corner of our skillet here.
One of my favorite sounds in the whole world.
Oh yeah.
All right. Oh, I like this technique with the dowel.
Yep.
All right, Maestro, I'm gonna salt these for you.
Please do.
Get your hands full.
There we go. Where's the cheese at? American cheese. This is what we're putting on these burgers always. And you're the cheese melt expert. What was it? Right. It was like 45 seconds or something.
I like it when it's barely melted on the edges.
Yeah.
Then I let the carryover heat take care of the rest. You get that gooiness that makes a burger addictive.
Yeah, just stack those up. I'm gonna get a tomato going here. Shake Shack also uses Roma tomatoes in place of one big beefsteak tomato, which I believe is what In-N-Out uses. We start with patties on the bottom, no sauce on the bottom. Okay. Tomatoes, 3 slices of tomatoes, if I remember correctly. Then we're going lettuce, sauce. These look messy, but tell me anytime you've ever eaten a Shack burger with clean hands.
That's kind of like the whole thing. Like if it doesn't get all over your face, it's not worth eating. Let's try this bad boy.
Let's give it a shot.
It might not look identical to the Shake Shack burger, but it's fucking fantastic. Gooey cheese mixed with cakey bread.
This roll squishes down into nothing.
Yeah, that's that addictiveness that, 2 o'clock in the morning, cross-eyed drunk. It's just the best. When I'm not working and I'm making stuff at home, I like the imperfections because when you have those imperfections, like the crispy bits, like when you smashed it, those crispy bits that were left over really play a factor on the textures of this, and you don't get that at the restaurant.
That's what they say about what wood is strengthened by its knots.
We're gonna do the In-N-Out Double-Double Animal-style. So Animal-style in burger form means add pickles, caramelized onions, extra spread, and the patties are glazed in yellow mustard. The difference between this burger bun and the potato bun is this is more of like a Wonder Bread style. Shout out to Kenji, Serious Eats. He breaks down what's on the spread. So it's about 62% mayo, and then he says it's 38% ketchup and relish. Now I'm gonna go by color. Just go with, your gut feeling. I mean, this looks like spread to me.
Yeah.
We'll season with salt.
You gonna season both sides or just one side on these?
I'm gonna season one side, and I can get away with that because these patties are way thinner than the Shake Shack patties. I know that their beef comes from Central California, but there's no specific blend.
Oh, I see what you're doing here. All right. What's the advantage of griddling patties in mustard?
You know what? It just adds this extra layer of crust. I've tried it with Grey Poupon, grated mustard, and none of it works as well as bright yellow nuclear mustard like this. Once you're done with that, you're ready to flip.
Oh, I see what the mustard's doing. I see it already. It's browning. I wasn't expecting that at all.
Oh yeah, that's what you want, man. Then we'll just throw the cheese on top. All right, and then another key step to the animal style. Right when it gets to this point here where the cheese almost adheres to the beef,
yeah.
On the bottom
Hit it with
patty,
caramelized.
hit it with a caramelized onion.
All right.
Now, I like extra spread. And when
Right.
you do extra spread, it's top and bottom.
Ooh,
We're doing 4 pickles.
4 pickles.
Now, I'm gonna East LA it up a little bit, and we're gonna throw banana chilies. And when you get this at the restaurant, you just say add chopped chilies to it.
Yeah.
And these are chopped banana chilies, the same ones that they use over there.
I love banana chilies.
Tomatoes on the bottom, 1 slice of beef steak. Lettuce goes on top of that. Their lettuce is actually cut in triangles.
So you went to that length.
So I went that level, and there you go. In-N-Out double-double animal style.
All right, let's eat this thing. There's a little bit of pink in the burger, which is awesome.
At In-N-Out, you can actually choose your doneness. The aromatic of the onions, man, really, I feel is the definition of an In-N-Out burger. Like, you have to have onions. Whenever someone orders a burger without onions, I just give them a look like, why not? The difference between the In-N-Out burger that I made today and the In-N-Out burger that we can get at the restaurant is I feel like the assembly line of the restaurant makes it stacked so perfectly, and then it's wrapped,
Yeah.
right? And I feel like the wrapping almost creates a flavor envelope and makes the experience that much better. So we've done the Shake Shack, we've done the In-N-Out. Let's just put it together and make some In-N-Out Shake Shack babies.
You're a madman. First things first, the bun.
Let's cut the potato buns in half.
Yeah, sauce.
Sauce. I like the In-N-Out sauce. I like the chunkiness, the bite of the relish. Let's throw those seasonings in there.
Yeah, let's throw a couple spices in
Yeah,
there.
what's it? It was
Wake it
onion
up a little
powder,
more.
garlic powder, cayenne, paprika, right?
Yep, that's it.
Oh my God, so that's gonna take it to the next level. Vegetables.
I think iceberg.
Iceberg is good, right?
Yeah, because that butter lettuce is intrusive. It's
Right.
too
You gotta have
mineral.
that crunch.
Yeah, you gotta have that crunch. and you
I'm
don't need so
almost
much
saying
flavor.
86 to tomatoes, man. Maybe we don't even need it.
No tomatoes at all.
Let's break some rules.
Yeah, pickles.
Or
Like
the chilies. I could go with either.
I
It doesn't
think
have to be both.
I don't like the thick. Just because I don't like the thickness of these pickles,
Okay.
I would say we go chilies.
Cool, let's do chilies.
All right, so what are we doing for beef?
I say we use the Shake Shack blend.
Flavorful, it's expensive.
It's rich, it's beefy. It has that great reaction when it hits the griddle.
Yeah.
I definitely think that we should put some yellow mustard on there.
Here, let's go 3-ounce patties.
3-ounce patties.
Yeah.
Oh man. All right, I love the beef, man, so let's do it. Let's break the internet.
Damn it. Babish style. That's the best sound in the world. Oh yeah.
To animal style it up, let's get some mustard on that bad boy.
Cheese them up.
Cheese them up. You start to see the caramelization on that mustard, man.
Love this on the In-N-Out burger.
Extra sauce.
Extra spread. Veg on the bottom. I think these are the most beautiful burgers
Oh yeah.
in the world.
We literally squashed East Coast, West Coast beef.
Here today in this kitchen.
Unity.
All right, time to eat. Let's give it a shot.
Oh yeah. Dude,
That's a good,
that was a good burger.
that's a marriage made in heaven. See, this is what happens when people put aside their differences and just get along.
Turns out the unity between Shake Shack and In-N-Out is actually what we wanted all along.
This is the home burger that I've dreamt of.
This is the motherfucking burger show, baby. We out. So we've R. Kelly Jay-Z this bad boy. Best of both worlds.